For me, this dish is a complete knockout. It is next level.
Oh my God.
Extraordinary. It's incredible. I can't believe you pulled that off in such a short period of time.
Thank you.
It is succulent. It is very juicy and wonderful flavor profile.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
I am freaking out. I'm freaking out.
During the challenge, we watched, we discussed, and we learned a lot about what each of you bring to this kitchen. Matt and Justine, we're not going to taste your dishes.
I have no clue what's going on.
They're not gonna taste our dish?
Based on what we've seen, we've already decided that you both deserve a spot in the top 12.
Yes! Please come up and get your aprons.
I'm in the top 12 of MasterChef Canada. Everything I worked for just paid off.
Top 12 MasterChef Canada! I did it. This is the catalyst to the rest of my life, and I'm so excited for that.
Now, there's 6 of you left vying for only 2 coveted spots. There is a lot riding on these tastings.
Jay, please bring up your dish.
The sauce is supposed to be the best part of my dish. Just knowing that I messed up, it's tough.
What do you have here?
It's fried duck breast on chow mein.
You sound a bit nervous. What's wrong?
Forgot to put my sauce over it.
You forgot the sauce. That is going to make a big difference.
Sorry, chef.
How did you do the noodles?
I boiled it and then fried it with sesame oil and some mirin and some soy.
Kind of like a braised noodle, right?
Yeah, so.
Great texture, nice flavor, good balance, cooked perfectly.
Thank you.
It's dry. You should never slice the duck breast open and let it rest because all that juice is gonna bleed away, and that's exactly what happened. Unfortunately, with the sauce not around, it lacks a bit of taste. It's gonna be a hard one for me.
Thank you, chef.
Jillian, please bring up your dish. What do you have here?
I have a pine nut and herb veal chop with puttanesca pasta.
How many times have you cooked a veal chop?
Never. I'm really hoping I didn't jump the gun and pull it out of the oven too soon.
What's your instinct telling you right now?
It's a little underdone.
What does it mean to you to be in this kitchen?
It means everything to me. This is my dream.
There's a lot riding on this dish. That's what I call perfection.
I'm relieved.
You like garlic?
I love garlic.
Wow. You know, that garlic just seems to overpower the entire dish, unfortunately. Everything else is just hiding.
Yes, chef.
Barry, please bring up your dish.
Chef, I have for you a pine nut and herb crusted veal chop and ricotta gnocchi.
Have you made gnocchi before?
Once before.
Not loving those gnocchi. A little on the dense side. What is the cook that you're hoping for on the veal chop?
Medium rare. I like that.
I would definitely call that medium rare. Right on the money. The sauce is actually very good.
Thank you,
It
chef.
could do with just a little bit more balance because cream-based sauces are very, very rich. But all in all, not a bad effort.
Thank you, chef.
The star of the dish is cooked properly, but I'm no longer 100% confident.
Nee, please bring up your dish.
Chef, I have here on my plate quiche, couscous salad with pine nut, and then I have a veal with thyme, sage, and steamed apple.
There's a lot on this plate.
I'm from a big family, and I've always cooked for my 6 beautiful kids.
You have 6 kids?
6 beautiful kids.
You've been so busy. How do you find time to cook?
It's my passion.
Making kids or cooking?
No, cooking, chef. Cooking is my passion, chef.
Have you ever cooked veal before?
Never, chef.
The veal, nice flavor. It's good. It's not great. Let's do the couscous. This is just very dry, very bland.
Yes, chef.
Did you dress it with anything?
Not at all, chef.
None at all?
The time was...
You ran out of time. You ran out of time. Well, that's the problem. I'd rather see 1 or 2 things done beautifully. Less is more.
Thank you, chef.
Chris, please bring up your dish.
I am excited. This is a dream come true, but also I could be going home. I did a lemon tarragon veal chop, apple and roasted root vegetables with lardon.
And we're sure it's a veal chop this time.
We are, absolutely, chef.
Did that throw you off somewhat?
A little bit, but once I knew what I was cooking with, I got a lot more confident.
Because you know meat. You're a hunter.
I am. I'm not afraid to handle protein, chef.
On the plating, it does look a little bit...
A little rustic.
A little rustic is a good way to describe it. I think had you done a little bit of a little pile and had that chop sitting up on it, get a little bit of elevation, it would have enhanced the presentation. You know, I'm hoping that this is going to be cooked a nice rosé pink on the inside.
Yes, chef.
You happy with that?
No, I'm not. It's a little overdone.
See how it tastes. Surprisingly, very good with the simple seasoning that you put on there. For me, it's all about the presentation, where you have fallen flat.
I'm here to learn. That's my primary focus here.
I hope so.
Taya, please bring up your dish.
I would be mortified if I disappointed Chef Claudio with his own ingredients.
Walk me through this dish.
Well, I was trying to go for a tostada. I wanted to do a spicy pork belly mole.
Have you made mole before?
I've never made mole before.
I think mole is the most difficult sauce to make. You took a huge risk.
I did.
You know, the plating needs work. It needs to be more refined.
It just felt like I didn't have enough time to really think it through.
For me, this dish is a complete knockout. It is next level.
Oh my God.
Extraordinary.
Oh my God.
It's incredible. I can't believe you pulled that off in such a short period of time.
Thank you.
It is succulent. It is very juicy and wonderful flavor profile.
Oh my God. Thank you so much.
I am freaking out. I'm freaking out.
Unfortunately, only 2 of you will have a chance to keep pursuing your MasterChef Canada dreams. And now, we have to make that difficult decision. Please excuse us.
This is my moment to soak in everything about the MasterChef kitchen, because this very well could be the last time I see it.
There are some that I think overstretched themselves with trying to do too much on a plate. And there are others that kept it a lot simpler and true to the vision of the pantry.
I really think I deserve one of those aprons. I've tried really hard to get here.
At the end of the day, sometimes passion isn't quite enough.
I agree. We need skill.
Drive and the belief that you can go to the next level.
This cook was a struggle for me. I am terrified I could be going home.
Calling 24 home cooks down to 12 has not been easy. You should all be very pleased with yourselves for making it this far. But now, as you know, there are only 2 white aprons left.
Those aprons will go to the 2 home cooks that demonstrated the most skill, creativity, and potential. And those 2 home cooks are... Mary and Taya.
I got an apron!
Congratulations.
This is the best moment of my life. I can't even get this grin off my face.
I have always believed in my ability to cook. And now 3 of the best chefs in Canada have agreed.
The rest of you, I know that this isn't the result that you'd hoped for, but please think about what it is that you've achieved. Coming this far is not to be taken lightly. You've made your families and your hometowns very, very proud. Thank you, guys.
This was an unbelievable experience for me that I will remember for the rest of my life.
I never lived the dream before, and I lived it.